Now you have seen in the previous video that we have added our template in the template directory. As you can see that our icon has now appeared in the template directory list, and we have placed that our this template pic underscore MCU in the template folder of our KiCad. So the next thing was to add title and description that is in the meta folder in info.html file, and you can see that as we have no title and description of our template. For doing that, let's edit this info.html file in notepad++, and let's add some HTML over here. Let's see, first thing is we have to write HTML tag over here. Then we have in HTML head, and let's close this head, and with the head we have another section that is body of the HTML. Now if you want to add title so that it appears with the icon, then you have to add title over here, and for that our title is pic MCU, and let's just write the name of microcontroller we have used in this pic pic 18F46K22, and this should appear in our title. So let's just save this, and let's see, let's just refresh this, and you can see that now we have the title of our template, pic MCU pic 18F46K22, and now it's time to add some description, and description is written in the body section. So the first thing we are going to add is h1 tag, so that we have a title pic MCU pic 18F46K22, and we can write a complete title with the MC7805, and let's just save this and let's see how it looks. Let's just refresh this, and let's click on our template, and you can see that we have this pic MCU title that depicts that what are the things you are going to get in this template. And the next thing is in the body section we are going to add image of the board. For doing that, we can do as image, and let's close this, and let's add source. That should be brd.png, and this is the board that you can see in our folder, that is this one, and it has a file extension of brd.png. So in this way we have added the board over here. Let's just save this, and let's see how our description looks. Source, I think there is some mistake, so let's check what is the mistake. Board.png. Let's open any other template so that we can get an idea of how images are added. Let's edit this one. So in this one we have board. I have done this wrong in a wrong way. Let's just copy this one and copy this in our info.html file, and let's just close this and let's just save this. And you can see now still we have an error. No, it's working fine. Now you can see that this image is now attached with the template. You can add even any other things also, like if you want to add some description over here, that includes that this template will help you to minimize your development process by giving you pre-built schematic and PCB. And you can also add more things like another paragraph that says this template includes the pick MCU, that is 18F46K22, and with the regulator MC7805. So in this way you can add more description into your template. So let's check this. Let's refresh our folder and click on this. You will find that this is the description we have added in the template. You can even add more things, like if you want to add any other paragraph, you can write over here like this, or you can write made by XYZ, whatever you want to write. And you can even add date, like if you made by XYZ and date is 21-4/2024. Let's just save this and let's see how our template will look. Let's click on this and you can find that we have added this one in our info.html file. So in this way we design our template. So let's just summarize up how you are going to design your template. For designing a template, you should have template name of the folder, and should include a folder with the name meta, and have schematic and board file with exactly the same name as that of the folder. And in the meta folder, and this one in the meta folder, you should have icon, so that this icon can be shown over here on the top. And you should have an info.html file, so that you can add description over here into your template. So this is how you design your template. In the next video we are going to use this template for our project.